Hello friends. Today we will learn how to interface RFID module to Arduino. RFID means radio frequency identification. It uses electromagnetic fields to transfer data over short distances. You can use an RFID system to make transactions or to open a door lock. An RFID system uses multiple tags and a reader module. In this tutorial, we will use a keychain and an electromagnetic card. Each tag has his own identification number, and this number is known as UID. And the UID will be used in the code to identify the tags. The reader is a two-way radio transmitter receiver module. It sends a signal to the tag and reads its response, such as UID. It is a 3.3 volts module. You can connect it to 3.3 volts pin of Arduino. Remember, connecting it to 5 volts pin will likely destroy your module. Let's move to the wiring diagram. Connect VCC pin on the module to 3.3 volts on the Arduino. And ground pin to Arduino ground. Connect the RST pin to Arduino pin 9. And connect SDA to pin 10. MISO to pin 11. MOSI to pin 12. And connect SCK pin to Arduino pin 13. Now, the circuit is ready. Remember, the RFID module might not work if you connect it on the breadboard. I have tested it many times, but without any success. So, make sure, connect the RFID module directly to Arduino without using breadboard. Next step is to download RFID library. For that, go to Tools. And then, Manage Libraries. The libraries windows will appear. Here, search for MFRC522. Here, you can see the library. Just install it by clicking on Install button. Check here, the library is installed. Now, it's time to read RFID tags. For that, go to Examples. Here, search the library that we have been installed. And then, open Dump Info Example. This example will use to read data from RFID tags. Next, upload this sketch to your Arduino. After uploading the code, open Serial Monitor. Next, let's the tag closer to the RFID module until all the information is displayed. Similarly, we can read as many tags as we need for the project. This is the information that we can read from the card, including the card UID, that is highlighted in yellow. This UID is associated with keychain tag. Write down your tag's UID in any text editor. Similarly, get the UID associated with the electromagnetic card. We will need these UIDs later. Here is a quick example to demonstrate how a simple RC522 RFID reader can be used to make a door lock system. Enter your keychain tag's UID in this master tag variable. Remember, delete these blank spaces. Next, this code will scan UID of each RFID tag when it's close enough to the RFID reader. If the UID of the tag matches with the master tag that is stored in Arduino memory, then the access will be granted. And if we scan any unknown tag, then the access will be denied. Next, you can enter your own code here to open door, or to switch on a relay, to light up an LED, or anything else you can think of. It is up to you. You can also use the serial monitor to check the status if the access is granted or if the access is denied. The code for this project is available on my GitHub account. I will put the link in video description to download the code. This is for today. If you have any question, then comment below. See you in the next video. Bye.